it's a pleasure to introduce a reliable and efficient solution in the field of liquid packaging, the gravity-based manual bottle filling and sealing machine by MSP. This machine is specifically designed for handling low-viscosity liquids, particularly those with a consistency similar to water. It includes a rinsing function. Before the filling process begins, each bottle can be rinsed to ensure it is free of dust, debris, or any contaminants. This step is crucial in maintaining product safety and hygiene, especially for consumables and sensitive applications. Once rinsing is done, the bottles move to the filling stage, where the machine truly shines. It is equipped with 8 filling heads, allowing 8 bottles to be filled simultaneously. This drastically boosts productivity, making it ideal for small to medium-scale production lines. The machine operates using a gravity-based filling system, a simple yet highly effective method that uses the natural force of gravity to allow liquid to flow from a storage tank into each bottle. This approach ensures smooth, consistent flow and reduces spillage or foaming, which is especially useful when dealing with water-thin liquids. In terms of capacity, the machine supports a filling range from 150 milliliters to 1.5 liters, offering great flexibility to businesses that work with different packaging sizes, from single-serve bottles to larger retail units. After the bottles are filled, they move to the capping station, where 2 manual capping heads securely seal each bottle. The cap used here is of aluminum. Now, let's look at some specific applications. Since this machine is optimized for liquids with water-like viscosity, it is ideal for drinking water, both still and flavored varieties, cold beverages and juices without pulp or thickness, liquid detergents and surface cleaners that are thin in consistency, disinfectants, sanitizers, and alcohol-based solutions, pharmaceutical tonics with low viscosity, and even plant nutrient solutions in the agricultural sector. The compact and manual nature of this machine makes it suitable for small production units, startups, and even mobile operations. It's also a great backup solution for larger operations looking for manual support in times of maintenance or downtime. The MSP gravity-based manual bottle filling and sealing machine offers a simple, cost-effective, and highly efficient way to package low-viscosity liquids. Visit us